Okay, Matthew, Kurba, please.
Thank you, sir, for allowing me to take part in this motion with regard to PhD department. So, some villages in Marbisu, Pedang Senong, Mawphlang, they are nearby to GSWS. However, the power supply is very poor in this area. There is
Point of order. You want to raise a point?
Raise a point of order according to Rule 29 of the Procedures and Conduct of Business of the House. The motion here is specifically states, this House do now discuss the style and functioning of the PHE department with special emphasis on ongoing Upper Shillong Water Supply Project and Jal Jeevan Mission in Mylliem constituency, sir. In fact, everyone who has joined the discussion on the motion should have discussed about Mylliem constituency only.
No, this is about JMM, I think.
Still, sir,
the functioning, style and functioning of the JMM.
PHE and JJM of Mylliem constituency. So if we all rise for different constituencies, then I think we are out of the way.
Mr. Speaker, sir, normally during question hours, we stick with the specific subject and the matter. Normally motions are more broader in nature, and it is up to the speaker, honorable speaker, to allow or not to allow. And since it's a JJM is an important issue, a large number of members have taken this opportunity to discuss. And normally in motions, you do allow more broader discussion. Question hour, yes, is more specific, but sir, the ultimate decision lies with the chair, sir. So it will be ultimately your ruling that is going to be the most important part, sir.
Yes. I have observed and seen that particularly the newly elected members, fresh members, are very keen to participate, and most of them are giving their maiden speech in the House. So I will be allowing them to speak also, and to kindly stick to the working functioning of JJM and the PHE. Mr. Matthew Kurba, please, you may continue.
Thank you, sir, once again. That is again regarding JJM and implementation in Mawphlang constituency, especially with the village of Marbisu, Pedang Senong and Mawphlang. They are nearby to Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. However, the work has been very slow, and I would request the department concerned to kindly speed up this work at Pedang Senong especially, and Marbisu and Mawphlang, as the people in that village, they have to go and fetch water for more than 2 kilometers to get the water, especially in the dry season. This is my humble request to the department concerned to kindly speed up the work in those 3 villages. That's all, sir, from my side. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to speak on this matter. I may resume my seat. Thank you once again.